The 2026 Honda HR-V is here, and it brings a remarkable blend of style, versatility, and performance that elevates the compact SUV segment. Honda has once again refined its approach to the subcompact crossover market, creating a vehicle that appeals to drivers who want both practicality and flair. From the moment you see it parked, the 2026 HR-V exudes confidence, a perfect balance between sporty aesthetics and urban sophistication. Every line and curve has been carefully sculpted to create a dynamic presence on the road. It is clear that Honda has invested heavily in ensuring that this model feels modern and premium, while still remaining accessible to a wide audience of car buyers. Starting with its front fascia, the HR-V commands attention with a bold grille design, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that hints at its athletic stance. The chrome accents surrounding the grille add a touch of elegance, while the integrated daytime running lights provide both safety and style. The front bumper features subtle aerodynamic details, and a lower air intake that emphasizes the car's poised yet aggressive personality. From a distance, the front end communicates strength, modernity, and a readiness for adventure. It is a design that is both approachable for city driving and assertive for highway cruising. Moving along the side profile, the 2026 HR-V features a streamlined silhouette with flowing body lines that accentuate motion even when the car is stationary. The character lines along the doors provide depth and dimension, while the slightly flared wheel arches give the vehicle a planted and stable appearance. The compact dimensions allow for nimble maneuvering in urban environments, yet the proportions ensure it feels spacious and commanding. The alloy wheels, available in various stylish finishes, enhance the overall look, complementing the body's dynamic contours and giving the SUV a premium feel. Integrated roof rails add functionality and subtle ruggedness, allowing for roof-mounted cargo or recreational gear without compromising the visual appeal. At the rear, the HR-V continues to impress with a cohesive design that balances sportiness and sophistication. LED taillights stretch across the rear, creating a wider stance and an eye-catching signature at night. The rear bumper is elegantly sculpted, featuring subtle chrome trim and aerodynamic styling. The tailgate has a smooth, refined finish, and the rear spoiler adds a hint of sportiness while also contributing to improved airflow and efficiency. Even the placement of the rear reflectors and exhaust outlets has been carefully considered to maintain a clean, unified appearance. The rear design communicates durability and style, reflecting Honda's commitment to practical elegance and thoughtful design. In terms of performance, the 2026 HR-V is built to deliver a confident and enjoyable driving experience, powered by a responsive engine optimized for efficiency and smooth acceleration. The compact SUV maintains a low center of gravity for better handling, ensuring that turns feel composed and controlled. The suspension system has been refined to absorb road imperfections, creating a comfortable ride for both city streets and long highway journeys. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the exterior design, with carefully positioned spoilers, diffusers, and body sculpting that reduce drag while enhancing stability. This attention to detail ensures that the HR-V not only looks agile but drives with agility and precision. Fuel efficiency is also optimized without sacrificing performance, making it an ideal choice for commuters and road trip enthusiasts alike. The history of the Honda HR-V is an important aspect that adds depth to its current design. Originally introduced as a compact crossover, the HR-V has always represented Honda's vision of a versatile, efficient, and stylish SUV that fits into urban lifestyles. Over the years, the model has evolved with each generation, adapting to changing market demands, consumer preferences, and advances in automotive technology. The 2026 iteration continues this legacy, incorporating the lessons learned from previous generations while introducing a modern exterior that resonates with contemporary design language. The HR-V has always been praised for its combination of reliability, practicality, and smart design, and this model reaffirms that reputation with a bold yet approachable aesthetic. It is a vehicle that feels both familiar to loyal Honda enthusiasts and fresh for new buyers seeking a contemporary compact SUV. Among its exterior features, The 2026 HR-V offers a range of options that enhance both style and functionality. Available LED lighting systems provide improved visibility while accentuating the vehicle's modern look. Optional two-tone paint schemes add a level of customization that allows drivers to express their personality. The panoramic sunroof option extends the feeling of space and openness, while roof rails and rear spoiler elements add both utility and sportiness. The door handles are flush-mounted for a sleek appearance. The side mirrors are aerodynamically shaped and may include integrated turn signals. All of these details contribute to a cohesive exterior package that is visually appealing, functional, and ready for diverse driving scenarios, whether navigating crowded city streets or cruising scenic highways. Color options for the 2026 HR-V are carefully curated to cater to a broad range of tastes, from classic tones like platinum white pearl and crystal black pearl to more vibrant or unique shades such as boost blue pearl and Nordic forest pearl. Each finish has been optimized for clarity, depth, and reflection, ensuring that the vehicle looks premium in all lighting conditions. The paint quality, combined with precise panel alignment and attention to small exterior details, enhances the perception of quality. The result is an exterior that not only turns heads but also communicates the careful engineering and thoughtful design that Honda has invested in this model. Choosing the right color allows owners to further personalize the HR-V to their lifestyle, making it both a practical SUV and a statement of style. The 2026 Honda HR-V's design also emphasizes safety through thoughtful exterior engineering. The LED lighting setup improves visibility in low-light conditions, and aerodynamic enhancements contribute to stability at higher speeds. Body panels and bumper structures are designed to absorb and distribute impact energy effectively. The side profile and rear structure are reinforced to provide additional safety for occupants. The combination of design, materials, and engineering ensures that while the HR-V remains visually striking, it also meets the highest safety standards. This dual focus on aesthetics and security makes the HR-V a compelling choice for families, urban drivers, and adventure seekers who do not want to compromise on style or peace of mind. As we look at the 2026 HR-V in totality, it becomes clear that Honda has created a vehicle that excels in multiple dimensions, from the bold, dynamic front fascia to the sculpted side panels, to the sophisticated rear design. Every angle has been carefully considered. The SUV communicates strength, agility, and elegance simultaneously. Its size, proportions, and details allow it to navigate urban streets effortlessly while maintaining a confident road presence. It blends functionality and aesthetics in a way that few competitors in the compact SUV segment can match, with each exterior feature contributing to an overall impression of thoughtful engineering, modern design sensibilities, and enduring appeal. The 2026 HR-V is a visual statement, a practical SUV, and a modern reflection of Honda's dedication to quality, performance, and style. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda HR-V sets a new benchmark for the compact SUV segment, showcasing a bold and contemporary exterior that balances elegance, sportiness, and practicality. Its history of evolution and refinement shines through in the attention to detail, panel alignment, lighting, and body sculpting. From the front grille to the rear spoiler, from the alloy wheels to the roof rails, every aspect communicates confidence, refinement, and versatility. The HR-V performs well not just visually but also functionally, with aerodynamics, ride stability, and engineering that reinforce the vehicle's capabilities. Color options, exterior features, and safety-focused design elements all combine to create an SUV that is ready for modern life, whether navigating city streets, open highways, or weekend adventures. The 2026 HR-V is a compact SUV that looks and feels premium, strong, and reliable, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking style, substance, and performance in the compact crossover market. With its exterior design alone, Honda has proven once again that attention to detail, forward-thinking aesthetics, and smart engineering can elevate a vehicle into more than transportation. but into an expression of lifestyle and personality. The 2026 Honda HR-V is not just a car, it is a statement of modern automotive excellence.